Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer on Super Smash Bros. Ultimate on Nintendo Switch. First, ensure your Nintendo Switch console is powered on and the game is launched. You'll need at least 2 Joy-Con controllers or other compatible controllers for 2 players. Up to 8 players can join a single match, requiring additional controllers. This easy method gets you into the action quickly with friends. Before diving into the game, make sure all your controllers are connected. From the Nintendo Switch Home menu, select Controllers, then change Grip/Order. Each player should hold their controller horizontally and press the SL and SR buttons. The player indicator lights will confirm successful pairing. You can connect up to 8 controllers for a full 8-player brawl, making for epic battles. Once your controllers are ready, navigate to the main menu of Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Select Smash, then choose Smash again to enter the battle setup. Here, you'll pick VS mode for a standard multiplayer match. The game will prompt you to confirm the number of players. Each player can then select their character, and you can customize the stage and rules before the fight begins. After confirming the number of players, it's time for character selection. Each person chooses their favorite fighter from the massive roster. You can also adjust battle rules, such as the stock count, time limit, and item appearance rate, to tailor the experience. Once everyone is set, the battle begins. Have fun smashing your friends in exciting, fast-paced matches on your Nintendo Switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.